be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include internet connectivity, electric trunk, push-button start, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, steering wheel controls, memory seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Carlsbad Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 2802 West Pierce Street, Carlsbad, New Mexico, 88220.